Big shout out to Elegoo for sending me the Centauri Carbon 3D printer, and after testing it, I have to say I'm seriously impressed. First off, this thing is fast. Way faster than my old printer. A standard Benchy takes just 15 minutes to print. That's a huge time saver, especially when I need to test designs over and over. And since precision is super important for my builds, I've tested these parts multiple times, and the Centauri Carbon has saved me so much time. No more reprints because of little mistakes. The details come out clean on the first try. Another thing I love? Wi-Fi printing. With the new Elegoo Slicer app, I can just send files straight from my computer. No more messing around with flash drives. Plus, it's quiet. The noise-canceling enclosure means I can print without my workspace sounding like a jet engine. And when the prints are done, I don't have to struggle to remove them. Just bend the flexible build plate and they pop right off. Honestly, the Centauri Carbon has made my projects so much smoother, and I'm excited to use it for more builds. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description.